Good evening. This is All India Radio. I'm Anubha Rohatgi and with me is Nishit Kumar with the evening news. In Manipur, 161 people including 30 personnel from the Central Armed Police Force tested COVID-19 positive in the last 24 hours, while 261 persons were discharged. The total number of positive cases in Manipur is 9,537, including 2,063 Central Security personnel. The total number of recovered cases is 7,369, while the active cases are 2,106. The recovery rate registered today is 77.26%. 62 people have lost their lives in the state. In Manipur, 3 sitting MLAs and 2 ex-MLAs have been inducted as Ministers of State in the BJP-led coalition state government today. Manipur Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah administered the oath of office in secrecy to 3 MLAs, S. Rajan, T. Satyabrata, Bungzang Valte and 2 ex-MLAs, O. Henry and O. Lukhoi, late evening at the Raj Bhavan. The 3 newly inducted MLAs are BJP members, while the remaining ex-MLAs were elected on the Congress ticket in the last election and resigned from the party as well as from the membership of the Assembly recently. O. Henry is the nephew of O. Ibobi, the former Chief Minister of Manipur and leader of Congress Legislative Party. More from our correspondent.
Presently, 13 seats out of the 60 members of Manipur Assembly House are vacant and a by-poll for some seats is expected in a few months. Therefore, the induction of new faces in the Chief Minister N. Biren Singh-led state government could be seen as preparedness for electioneering. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh was in New Delhi on Monday, accompanied by Manipur BJP Chief Professor S. Tikendra and met central BJP leaders, including National President J.P. Nadda, National General Secretary B.L. Santosh and Ram Madhav. Later, he returned to Imphal along with National Vice President and Central Observer Vijayanta Panda and initiated the induction of new ministers in his 12-member cabinet. This is J.J. Thoksom from Imphal for AIR News.